So good day, ma'am. I'm going to report about license to operate sa PSTA. So PSTA means Private Security Training Agency, and say mga requirements or mga pamaagi para makapatukod ka og private security training agencies, no? So na yung mga requirements for PSTA. So the first, dapat is only a Filipino citizens. So second, a juridical entity wholly owned and controlled by Filipino citizens can organize PSTA and provide security training service. So the first one is dapat is Filipino ka, Filipino citizen ka diri sa Pilipinas, no? So bawal lang mga foreigner, legit na pwede mga foreign. So number 2 is juridical entity. Bali, yeah, dapat is controlled or by a Filipino citizens. Ma-organize nimo ang PSTA as a Filipino citizens, no? And maka-provide ka og security training service. So need og Filipino citizens jud. So next is requirements for PSTA. So unsay mga requirements ani niya, no? So applicant, kung mo-apply ka or kung magpabuhat kag PSTA, first is valid training director, LESP. So dapat kay valid ID training director, no? Before ka makabuhat or makakuha ng PSTA. Sa number 2, notarized LTO applicant form. So dapat naka-LTO applicant form, license to operate. And A for sole single proprietorship, so certificate of business registrations, no? And dapat gi-issue sa DTI, so indicating the name of applicant with valid training director, LESP, as owner proprietor. So pag naka-certificate of business registration, okay, so dapat naka-indicate dito ang name of applicant, no? With valid training director, LSP. So B, sa legal, per judicial entity, dapat is na certificate of registration issued by SEC, so cooperative deaf authority or equivalent government agencies, indicating the name of applicant with valid training director, LESP, as part owner or holder of at least one share of stock with voting rights. So C for government entity, the law highlighting the provision of its creation or establishment. So ano yung mga requirements for PSTA, no? And for government entity is the law highlight provision of its creation or establishment. So ni before ka makabuhat og PSTA or private security training agency, is dapat kay mga requirements. Bali napay mga requirements ani niya napa sa next reporter, discuss na nila. So
Good day, I am Nika Kalahat, and this is the requirements for establishing a private security training agency or PSTA. For financial requirements, bank certification or statement or treasurer's certificate. This document is nag-approve na ang organization has at least 500,000 in available funds. Then, this indicates a financial capacity to support the training agency, operation, and potential expenses. Next is ang bond. A bond with a coverage amount of at least 50,000 is required. These are the financial guarantees or security potentially covering potential liabilities or losses related to training activities. So, next kaya ang staffing requirements. Okay, what are the staff requirements? LESPS of the required PSTA staff. This refers to license to exercise security profession for the required training agency staff. Ang minimum staff lang na gina-required kay ang one training director, one training officer, then 3 training instructors. Muna ang isa sa mga requirements to ensure that a private security training agency has necessary financial resources and qualified personnel to effectively deliver training programs for security personnel.
Good day, my name is Jorex Cabanda. This is my report about online registration and uploading of documents at sociaonline.pnp.gov.ph. So first, you need to register in their link, and then second one, evaluation, CAB or certification, application, verification. So if okay na ang evaluation, so mag-wait ka sa approval, and then payment of fees, and then the next one is the printing and releasing the paper. That's all.
Good PM everyone, my name is Rogelio Arcamandona. This is my report of the LTO of PSTA. The 3 years of application, kung kanusa ka ang mag-expire ang imong pagperehistro sa LTO, kailangan mag-ihap og 3 ka tuig simula sa pitsa sa iyong pagperehistro na nakasaad sa opisyal na resibo OR at Certificate of Registration, o mao pa na ang paunang pagperehistro para sa mga bagong motorsiklo kabilang sa mga makinang 200cc pababa ay magiging valid na karon sa sunod ug 3 ka tuig. Ang sunod 5 years and renewal application. Kailangan mo ang valid o expire ang lisensya sa pagmaneho, isang filled-in na LTO application form, isang medical certificate mula sa isang LTO, accredited clinic, civil certificate of adventure driver education, and driver's reorientation course DRC proseso. Kailangan mo isubmit ang mga kinailangang dokumento. Ang sunod, the LTO of PS is 60 days after the expired date. Anumang na-expire na ang lisensya nato na wala pa ginarenyo higit sa 2 taon, ngunit wala pa 10 taon mula sa naturang pag-expire, at maaaring i-renew pagkatapos magbayad na mga multa para sa mga late renew na to. Bilang karagdag, ang aplikante ay kinakailangan pumasa sa preyong pagsulat sa practical na eksaminasyon. Maor to ma'am, thank you.